Hello. This is a 90-90 breathing exercise designed to help, one, relax the nervous system, quiet the nervous system, and get your breathing back into a calmer state, teach you how to use your diaphragm better with breathing, and set you up with appropriate postural alignment so that you can breathe more efficiently. It's an active exercise. It will also help improve your core strength, and I use it as a beginner core exercise to train your abdominal muscles to expand and contract as you breathe. As we breathe in, our belly will rise up, and that gets a nice stretch on the abdominal muscles and contracts the diaphragm. As you breathe out, the diaphragm moves up, your belly moves in, your belly button moves in, and your abdominals, your transverse abdominis and your obliques all contract, as well as your multifidus muscle, your lower back, help to contract and push the air out. So it's a great exercise to, if you have had back injury, if you need to start with some core stability and you really needed that baseline exercise. This is a starting point, and we'll call it 90-90 level 1. So I'm going to use a physio ball that is just, it comes up to about my knees. You could use a bench or a chair or an ottoman if you don't have a ball at home, whatever is easiest for you. The ball gives you a little bit more added stability, so it's my preference, but we work out where we have to and where we can, and we use the equipment that we have to make that accessible. So we're going to start on our back. Knees are going to be bent, so the knees are directly over the hips and the feet are in line with the knees. This is the 90-90 position. We're going to start by adjusting our head, looking straight up, tucking the chin slightly. Make sure the ribs are down, that the pelvis is level on either side. Your feet, I want just the heels or your Achilles to rest on the ball. We're going to use our pinkies on the outside of our knees to just set up alignment and get about a 45-degree angle outside, which is more neutral in through the hips. Fingers are just there to help kind of guide as we go, just to make sure that we're not clenching everything in. First, I want you to tune into how you're breathing. If you've had a stressful day, you might be shallow in breathing. You might be breathing more up into your chest than into your lower abdominals and below your belly button, right down low into the pelvic bone. So check in with your breathing. See how long you breathe in for and how long you breathe out for. If you feel tension in through your neck, reposition. This is not meant to be a neck exercise. We're going to try to breathe in for a count of 3 or 4. Adjusting for the cat. As you breathe in, you'll feel your belly rise and expand laterally. Pause at the top for 1. And blow out through your mouth like you're blowing on a dandelion and trying to gently blow the leaves of the dandelion off. We're working to improve our breathing so that we can breathe in for about a count of 4 or 5. Pause at the top of that breath for 1 or 2 and blow out for twice as long as you inhaled. At the end of your exhale, you'll feel your abdominals contract. Repetitions are up to you. If you feel like you need to do it longer, go for it. And if you, I try to encourage people to do around 6 repetitions. That will take about a minute. And if you are breathing in for 4, pausing for 1, breathing in for 3 or 4, pausing for 1, breathing out for 6, that's about 6, it's about 10 seconds. So 6 breaths is about a minute. If you can't do that, if you start to compensate, you feel neck pain, you feel tension in through your chest, or you start to get short of breath, stop, walk away from it, and come back at another time. Again, we're trying to stretch out the diaphragm, get the diaphragm to move more efficiently on our exhale. We're trying to contract our abdominals on the exhale, and we'll get a nice stretch for them, as well as the multifidus on our inhale. This is a great relaxation exercise, and it's an excellent exercise to use if you have acute low back pain, or if you are just starting to get into your strengthening and core workout. And I use it at the beginning of a workout, as far as warm up, just to kind of assess where my body's at and see if I can then progress from there. Cats are optional. I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching.